Angodong. Kenya kasani. Kama chabadane county Manandi. Jotije manyawawa e sirkand county Manandi maromo 460 oyudo fuong'ruok bang' doho mag jotich. Yienegi mondo mi gidhi nyime kod tijegi kata obedo ni yande nochungi e tich kaka bedo ni gin jotijego mabandia. Kaluwore kod bura mane gichwalo e nyim doho, jotijego wacho noremgi e tich kata obedo ni ne giyudo tich e yo maler. Kata kamano, sirkand county Manandi wacho ni gin kod chik mar riembo oko jotije mabandia mar geng'o ketho omenda kendo chwalo dongruoge ne uganda makono.
One of the orders which the court has issued is an order of status quo. And in status quo, the court has clarified that those who've been in employment shall continue being in employment, and those who have not been in employment shall remain away from employment. So we'll be having a hearing on the 16th of October so that we know our next course of action.
We want more resources to be channeled towards development projects. So that is why we are saying all stakeholders, including the county assembly, we want the residents of Nandi and the staff to give Governor Sang time and his executive to implement the PSC report that came out recently so that we can free more